Your beef is perfectly cooked, perfectly seared, perfectly seasoned. Your 3 sauces are superb. Really lovely crispy potatoes. You can cook.
38-year-old Renata moved from Slovakia to the UK 17 years ago, and much of her cooking is still inspired by the traditional recipes from her homeland.
The thing with Slovakian food is all lovely and stewed. Everything is stewed. So I'm making modern Slovakian cooking, and I think you are in for a treat here.
Renata's making for us a deconstructed goulash. Now, goulash is a beef stew and takes a long, long time to cook. But what she's going to do is take all the elements from the goulash and make it into a more modern-looking dish. She's got 3 different sauces. A chili sauce, she's making a goulash sauce from tomatoes and peppers she's pickled herself, and then she's making mushroom cream sauce as well. I love the idea of each sauce, and I think they should all taste delicious.
Renata, tell me why you're here on MasterChef.
Because I love cooking. It's my happy place. When my kids are driving me up the wall, I'll go to the kitchen, I'll find something inspiring, I cook, then I shut them up that way.
How old are your children?
8, 5 and 2.
Oh, wow.
Yes, exactly.
Having a young family and being so busy, what is it that you want from MasterChef?
I am mum all the time. I need something for myself.
Renata, careful, careful.
I know.
You've got about
I know.
3 minutes. You've
I know.
got to get this on plates.
I am doing it now.
$60 seconds. Time is up. Stop. Well done, everybody.
Slovakian-born Renata has made a deconstructed goulash. Fillet steak with deep-fried enoki mushrooms, sautéed potatoes, wilted spinach, with a goulash tomato sauce, mushroom sauce, and a chili sauce.
Your beef is perfectly cooked, perfectly seared, perfectly seasoned. Your 3 sauces are superb. Really lovely crispy potatoes. You can cook.
Your spinach is really nicely seasoned. That's fabulous. Your mushroom sauce is rich with mushrooms, and it's really well seasoned, really nicely made.
But this presentation, give yourself enough time, please.
Yes. I actually loved that they enjoyed my 3 sauces.
Well done.
And they really praised them, so I'm buzzing. Well done. Thank you.
I have to say, there's been some brilliant food. As you know, we have 2 aprons to give.
We have picked our 2 favourite dishes, and those 2 dishes were cooked by Beverly and Renata. Ladies, come and get your aprons. Congratulations, well done.
Yes! 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 Amazing. Yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled. Really, really thrilled. Yeah.
Over the moon, cloud 9. Excited. Wow, didn't expect that.